It's a door doll and you. That's supposed to be you. Does it look like you? Kinda?
Yeah.
Let's see. Cool. You like it, huh?
Yep. Let me see what. There's some more stuff.
There is.
I just ripped the paper.
You did.
Just ripped the paper.
Here comes.
Ah!
What is it?
Her cousin Diego and the super babies and her grandma.
Oh boy. Fun.
Wow.
This is a present.
Wow.
These are 2 dolls for me. And there's more stuff in it too.
Ooh. Christmas clothes.
A Santa shirt and some red pants.
Wow.
Oh!
Oh. It's a big one.
What's up? Ugh.
Wow, what's that?
Come look in the box.
Turn it around so we can.
Toy car.
Can you turn it around so I can see it? Oh.
Wow, is that for your doll to play in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it's recording.